Aren't you dorky looking bugger? Aren't you? Aren't you? Hey, big suck. Yeah, funnel. Oil. Here we go. First things first, we have to remove the rear set. Okay, for the rear set you will need 3/4 for this bolt and 12 mil for these bolts for the rear set. Alright, so with those bolts removed, pull it off, hang it there. Now we need to take these bolts off. Or actually no, we gotta take this off first. The clutch cord. Alright, with the clutch cable removed, now it's time to drain the oil. Drain the oil time. Alright, drainage bolt, 11/16. Yummy. Texas tea. And with that draining, once that's done draining, we will take this off and see what's going on underneath the hood. Okay, with those bolts off, we can pull off the cap cover and we'll see you inside. Alright, with that out, we'll pull the screen out. We'll see how dirty it is. Ooh. Ooh. So I had the first service done, and now this is my first oil change since I've gotten the service done. It's pretty brutal, actually. I wasn't expecting to see such big chunks, but here we are. This is why we're doing this. Sweet. Whoop. Time to take off the oil spinner. This is where these bolts are 10 mil. Alright, with that off, clean it out, make it nice and clean, and good to go. Alright, now that that's put back on and it's all clean, you put your oil filter back in. Now, it has a ridge on this side. I don't know if I could pick it up, but that goes down and it goes lengthwise. Boom. Now time to put the cover back on and bolt it up and fill it up. Alright, now the cap's back on. All the bolts are tightened down. I'm gonna wash off our bottom, or wipe it off here. Wipe the plug, give it a nice wipe down, make sure there's no grit or grime in it. And then plug that in and we'll fill it up, and then we'll get this rear set on and we'll be good to go. There you go. Now that the oil's in, you put the cap back on, and I guess the only test left is to start the bad boy. So here we go.